How to make money on Facebook in 2023, opportunities and strategies. Making money on Facebook involves various strategies, depending on your goals and interests. Here are 10 steps to help you explore different ways to generate income through the social media platform. Identify your niche. Determine your area of expertise, interest, the niche you want to focus on. Whether it's fitness, fashion, gaming, or other topic, a specific niche will target the right audience. Create a Facebook page. Set up a dedicated Facebook page for your chosen niche. Optimize the page with a relevant profile picture, cover photo, and a clear description. Produce high-quality content. Regularly create and post engaging content related to your niche. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and other media to capture your audience's attention. Build an audience. Grow your Facebook page's following by sharing valuable content and engaging with your audience. Encourage likes, shares, and comments to increase your reach. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Foster a sense of community by interacting with your audience, asking questions, and encouraging discussion. Monetize your page. Once you have a substantial following, explore various monetization options, including sponsored posts, partner with brands or companies to promote their products or services. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate links and earn a commission for sales generated. Merchandise sales. Design and sell merchandise related to your niche. Facebook ad revenue. If you meet specific criteria, you can earn a share of ad revenue from in-stream ads on your videos. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other content creators or brands in your niche for joint promotions, giveaways, or content sharing. Host live streams. Streaming on Facebook is a great way to engage your audience in real time. Monetize streams by receiving donations from viewers or partnering with brands for sponsored live events. Promote outside of Facebook. Use other social media platforms, websites, or email marketing to promote your Facebook page and its content. Track your progress. Monitor your Facebook page's analytics to understand what content performs best and where your audience is most engaged. Use this data to refine strategy and achieve better results. Making money on Facebook typically requires time, effort, and a commitment to building a genuine community around your content. Remember to follow Facebook's policies and guidelines while exploring different revenue streams on the platform. Subscribe for more online money-making tips.